my name is Vito. I'm a software engineer at Monokle, and today we'll explore a web application together. So, what is Monokle? It's a Kubernetes configuration and analysis tool. We've all struggled with creating production-grade deployments, reconfiguring applications, understanding what that Helm chart will exactly deploy, proper security controls, you name it. While your favorite code editor might give some support, we believe that Monokle can make your life even easier by streamlining these workflows. So, since most of you don't actually use plain Kubernetes resources but prefer Helm or Kustomize, let me start off by showing you how Monokle can help you create previews directly from within your browser. I have a WordPress Helm chart here, and you can see the values file. If I click on the preview button, then you will see the rendered output directly in your browser. One challenge most people experience is ending up with many resources and getting to the relevant one to then figure out the relationship with the rest. Within the Resource Navigator, you can very easily filter. Let's say, for example, we want a service kind and we want it to have a label with the component. We end up with one single resource here, which is the release name MariaDB. From here, I can just command-click the label to go to the stateful set that this service points towards. You can continue this kind of navigation. For example, you can see that there is a secret environment variable configured here. If I click on this, I go to the secret, where you have base64 encoded values of the secrets. If I hover this, then you can see the actual value. What I love most is when you combine the preview function together with the share functionality. Let me open this in Safari so that you can see what the other person would receive on the other end. You will immediately be redirected to the preview and open on the same resource. So just imagine how powerful this is for a developer who needs to make a change but would like the advice of a platform engineer. Alright, let's move on to validation. Today, most teams make changes and afterwards deploy them to their development or staging environments to see the impact of the changes. Monokle can help you to ensure the quality of your deployments even before deploying. So you can go here to the validation pane and open this up a bit to make it easier to read. And then you have a bunch of rules that you can enable or disable. Let's go back to our stateful set, and if you scroll down a bit, then you actually see that there are no limits or requests for the resources configured. You can add a rule for this, for instance, to require the CPU to be limited, and immediately you will see that the error starts appearing here. We try to make the feedback loop as fast as possible. One thing though is that you cannot edit in this editor here yet though. I would recommend checking out Monokle Desktop, where you can already edit resources and fix misconfigurations on the spot. Another challenge is understanding differences between your Kubernetes configurations. So let me demonstrate this with two overlays. I have one for local and production here, and you can immediately see the difference between them. So this deployment will have changes. If you open this, you can see that the production deployment will add a Cloud SQL proxy sidecar, which will securely connect to a Cloud SQL database on the Google Cloud platform. Without Monokle, you would have to manually compare the outputs of your terminal, and this can be rather tedious. Within Monokle, this is very visual and easy. That concludes the demo. I hope you enjoyed exploring Monokle together. There is more to see, so please sign up at app.monokle.com. Give it a try, let us know what you think on Discord, we'd love to hear from you.